Hello everybody, this is Compound Interest Stock Guy. Today in this video, I'm just going to be talking about market summary, kind of what's going on in this quick, concise video. So stay tuned. Silver, gold, you name it. Cannabis. Do not buy or sell based on anything I talk about. Buy or sell after your own research, due diligence, and you like the investments you're pursuing. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, give me a thumbs up. Let's get it going. 20, 30, 40. Let's go. So silver kind of retraced. I made a bit of money on my futures today. 24.22, I guess, to 24.48, 52. On a 0.02 contract from my silver on futures in the morning time. I did that, so gave me 25 bucks. Not bad. See, 0.02 is 100 ounces that you're on contract. So if you join the academy, I can explain all that stuff like that. You can email me at compoundstock13@hotmail.com. Yeah, we're really growing our network. Got 32 people that are learning how to trade futures with under Amanda from Indonesia, who's killing it. So if you want to join, just email me or leave a comment, and love to chat, and I'll leave the link to explain what the academy is about, but you can ask me any questions you want. I've been doing it for 2 months and I'm in my 3rd month, so I'm learning from great educators such as Kim Torres. She's got a lot of videos on YouTube, but she doesn't do that anymore, and she's really good trader. Gives you coordinates for buy sell targets, and then also she talks about gold and S&P 500, US 30, so a lot of great things, as well as Dr. Kathy does the same. She does indices, US 30, SPX500, S&P 500, NASDAQ 100, the top 100 NASDAQ companies. So a lot of success in the last week or two by just dialing in and realizing what I need to do. It's just focus on indices, because they're so probable. Like the targets that I get from the educators are so good. So all I got to do is hold and just move my my stop loss into profit when I'm up a little bit, usually like $10 or something like that. Usually try to target around $10 to $30 on the SPX 500. That's a pretty good target. Now all I got to do is just increase my lot size, and before you know it, I'll be doing like a 0.2, a 0.5, and when you're getting $10 or 100 pips or $30 or 300 pips, that's on a 0.5. That's a pretty good amount of money. If you're getting 300 pips, that's making $1,500. So the money's definitely to be made, and I'm gonna make it. So if you want to join me, I'd love to share my knowledge. I've been basically spending lots of time, so I know who the top educators are in the academy, but there's a lot of educators you may like, and maybe currencies are your thing, and you kill it in the currencies game, because Amanda's killing it in the currencies game, Peter's killing it in the currencies game. There's people that are killing it, so it's all, everybody's different person, right? So, but anyways, let's get to cannabis. So weed, Tilray, even Cannabis was up today because they had corporate update. Afria up today. They're reporting tomorrow. Tilt's up. Curaleaf, all the big top names. FYI, I got this message from this guy on Twitter, and he's like crying to me. He messaged me, and he's like telling me about like fire, and I'm like, I don't care for fire, and I'm just message me on Twitter. Please don't be so emo. I basically, okay, is Cannabis and Fire, can they go a lot higher? Sure. But what I want to explain to people is that you're putting more risk if you have more money in those investments. So you need to look into having investments in the best names, such as Afria, such as Kronos, such as Cureleaf, such as Green Thumb, such as IIPR, such as Canopy Growth, such as Valens Corporation. There's going to be other ones that are going to be good. I mean, maybe High Tide turns out to be really good, but they're kind of, I don't know, I guess they're kind of owned a little bit by some of the LPs. But that's my point. So, I mean, don't get offended if I just listen, Wolf of Weed Street, he when he gets people to join his TTG group, when he's doing one-on-ones, he basically unfucks them because a lot of people have really shitty investments, like whether it's MedMen or whatever. And I'm not gonna lie to people. If you want someone to lie to you, that's not me. So yeah, I just had to get that off my chest because I just think that's so stupid. I mean, you literally message me and then you start crying about, I wasn't expecting this. I'm like, well, what do you want? I'm going out of my way to give you information. I'm going out of my way. I could have just said, yeah, you know what, just keep buying more Fire. Just keep buying more Agriflora. Keep buying the stocks that are under 4 cents or under 5 cents in Cannabis. Just blow all your money. Sell your house. Yeah, you're going to be a millionaire. In the industry for 4 years, I know a little bit of stuff, so I just want to get that off my chest. But listen, I mean, can those stocks go up? Yeah, sure they can. But something like that. There's, preserving capital preservation. That's the word I'm looking for. So you and me need to invest in the top companies in the world because the top companies in the world have big money backing it. The other ones you can just, bet on like 2 cents, right? And that can work, but it's not it adds a lot more stress, and then maybe it goes up 2 cents and all of a sudden it goes to like 0.005. That's not the kind of stuff I want to promote on my channel. That's not the kind of stuff I want to promote to people. I want to promote people to be the best that they can be. So if enough said. But, Apple's kind of chilling around 375. What else? Budweiser's around 50, 55, 56. So, I got some call options till September, so I'm hoping it goes to 65, 75 soon, because I'd like to offload a couple of those for a good sum of money. And then hopefully one goes to like 85, 95. But I don't want to keep, because time's running out, because September 18th is when they expire, so that's about 6 weeks. So I got to be, quick and stuff, with all that stuff. So you don't want to hold on to till expiration on a long dated, especially if you're only close to the money, right? Now, if it continuously goes up, say if you had like a $6 cron option and it was good till September 18th, but right now say it's like $7-8, but you think it's going to be 15-25 by then, right? Then obviously, if you had 5 or 10 of them, maybe you'd sell one right now because it popped a little bit. And then as soon as it goes to 10, maybe you'd sell another 1 or 2. And then you keep a few more till, and I teach that stuff, I literally learn this stuff myself. I've learned from many people, guys like Wolf of Weed Street's all into options. So, I mean, I kind of take some of his advice, but, it's just basically learning by yourself. I learned from the trading fraternity as well. But I'm not saying I'm a master options trader, but I'm definitely a lot more groomed as far as my options game goes. I don't really do the short-term options just because I don't have a Thinkorswim. So it costs me like $10-11 just to do a trade. So if you did Thinkorswim, then it costs you like $2 to $3, and then you can kind of scalp. But I don't really think the scalping is the best strategy for what I'm doing. What the best strategy for what I'm doing is to get a stock when it's heavily beat down and get like 3 to 4 months and get it, say like roughly like 10 to 25 or 30% higher. And then when it gets into the money, because you did research, you understand it's undervalued, you understand they're printing a lot of money, that's when you kind of you buy it. So silver's like, silver's gonna chill, gold's gonna chill. It should be. It's a psychological level. I don't think we can go through 2021 without it hitting 22,000 because it was so damn close. So that's my opinion. So anyways, keep compounding your info, listen to my lingo. Again, if you want to join the academy with me, there's a lot to offer to grow your skill set as a trader. You got time on your side right now if you're not working and stuff like that. Maybe you're getting CERB checks or something like that, and you got a little bit of money. There's ways to go about it, and you can build your own business too within this too, right? So you can get people alongside, and then you're making money doing this. But as far as an education thing, I think it's very valuable. You can always quit within a month or 2 months if this isn't for you, but the value is definitely there. So anyways, email me at compoundstock13@hotmail.com. I'd love to chat. And keep compounding your info. Listen to my lingo. Shaka, capice. I'm out.